It's a lovely content for you today. I'm going to make an skin serum with marigold and two other ingredients. First, take a look on marigold flower benefits, how it's beneficial for glowing skin. Marigold flower has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, help to calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote a smooth complexion, and it is rich in antioxidants. Marigold flowers protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, promoting a radiant and youthful glow. The other ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin locks in moisture. Glycerin helps to retain water in the skin and keeping it hydrating, soft, and supple. Soothes dry skin. Glycerin also calms and comforts dry, irritated skin, reducing itchiness and discomfort. Third ingredient is sandalwood. Sandalwood helps to improve skin tone and texture, giving you a natural glow. It reduces blemishes, it antiseptic properties, and help to reduce acne, scars, and dark spots, leaving your skin clear and smooth. Let's see how to make skin serum with these things. Now I'm going to make serum. I will take some of the petals of marigold flower and amba turmeric, and then I will take sandal powder and glycerin, and here is rose water as well. Okay, these all are uh, the best ingredients for your skin protection, for your skin glow. Rose water keeps your skin hydrated and give it a glow and freshness. At first, I will take a small cup and then I will add 4 tablespoon glycerine, and then I will add sandalwood powder, as I told you that it is also beneficial for our skin. So I am going to add sandalwood powder about half teaspoon, and then I will add the other ingredients. Amba haldi, amba turmeric. It is also very beneficial for skin, and it works to protect, to save the serum for a long time. I will mix it well. One pinch of amba turmeric you have to add. Okay, and then you will mix it well. And now the third step is that we are going to add some of the petals of marigold flower. Actually, rose petal flowers fades scars and spots. Marigold's ability to stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. It's a natural skin brightener. Marigold helps to even out skin tone, reducing dullness and promoting a natural sun-kissed glow. On the other hand, sandalwood soothes skin issues. Sandalwood calms irritated skin, reducing redness and inflammation. Glycerin protects from environmental stressors. Glycerin creates a barrier on the skin surface, shielding it from harsh weather conditions, pollution, and other environmental stressors. Believe me, this serum is very nice, very good for your skin. You will feel the great result. The last step is that you have to heat some of the water in a pan, and then you remove it from the stove, and then you will keep this small cup in this pan and leave it for 2 hours, and then you will keep it out and then fill it. You will strain it with a strainer and then fill it in a bottle and keep this serum on a dry or cold place. Now question is that how to apply this serum. Before going to bed, you apply this on your face. First wash the face, and then you will apply this serum with a cotton ball, and you will have to apply this daily at night. Remember to use any extracts or any infusions in moderation and patch test before applying to your skin. Share this informative video with others and subscribe to my channel. by hitting the bell icon on all so that you will get all notifications from my channel. Thanks for watching.